Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Toyota Highlander. This is a 7-passenger SUV in maroon, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Highlander includes fog lights, roof rails, running boards, and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look right in the front first. Right up top, you have your power windows and locks with a little bit of storage space on the bottom. Next to the door, you have your power adjustable side mirrors. You also have your traction control, and you also have your power liftgate. You have a little storage compartment in here as well. Now, this Highlander comes equipped with light gray cloth seating, and on the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We have our key here. We're going to start this Highlander up. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, on the left side, you have your audio controls as well as your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have your voice recognition system, and you have this display button as well, which allows you to cycle through your little screen in the center here. Lastly, behind the steering wheel, you have your cruise control. If you're looking at the odometer, you can see this Highlander has 83,970 kilometers on it. Moving on to our little screen here, if we go into reverse, you do actually have a backup camera. Putting that back into park and moving down to our radio settings. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have your Bluetooth, CD, and auxiliary. Down below that is your climate control. You got these nice smooth turning dials for your intensity, temperature, and where you want that to go. We put that into drive, and to show you, we can lift this piece up. You also have your USB and auxiliary in here. You have a little storage space, as well as your 12-volt outlet. You also have your two cup holders next to the shifter, and behind the shifter you have another 12-volt outlet as well as your downhill assist and your snow drive mode. Now inside the back here we have some storage on the bottom of the door. And of course we are continuing with the light gray cloth seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats you have these little extra storage compartments. The rear passengers also have their own climate control system. Rear seats do fold down. All we gotta do is pull on this little handle here. The seats fold flat, and that gives you access to your third row seating. Like I mentioned, this Highlander does have a power liftgate, so we're going to hold that second button on our key fob, and that liftgate will open for us, making it nice and easy. If we take a look inside, you can see even with the third row seating up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back. The rear seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull on these little handles here, and the seats go folding flat, giving you extra storage space in the back. Like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold down as well. That will give you that extra bit of room. You can also lift this bottom piece up. You have a little bit of extra storage space in here as well. And to close up, it's as easy as pressing this button on the top left. Taking a last look at our Toyota Highlander, once again, some of those great interior features includes your 7-passenger capacity seating, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.